Guys, see, I did not glue it down. Oh, wait, gorgeous. Do you know that the Bogo free SHEIN event have superb bargains and beautiful wigs? Don't miss out on your favorite wig in this year last chance. Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Okay. This hat here, you're saying I'm in a different form today. Okay. I'm laughing at myself. Alright gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you are doing great. Yes, so I have a good news for you, because this video is going to be lit. It's going to be like, you're going to be happy at the end of this video, because what I have in here is from SHEIN. Yes, SHEIN, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Good news, the good news I have for you, you won't believe it. SHEIN is doing a big huge sale, Bogo free. That is, when you buy one, you're going to get one for free. So you know what to do, just search 111. Okay, it will direct you straight to the promotion page where you can like order your wig and you will get one for free. So this is the wig, came in here. Okay, and there is a cap wig that came with it, 36 inches. You can see it, 36 inches. That's to tell you that this wig is long. This wig is 13 by 4 straight lace front wig, human hair, 180 density, pre-plucked with baby hairs and natural color. The color is natural. Okay, voila, you see this? You see what I'm talking about? You see that? The hairline, you see it, pre-plucked. It is pre-plucked. And this lace is long. Ooh. So this is it. Gorgeous. And this is 34 inches. So the texture is okay. There's no shedding. And it's soft. Okay, we're just going to pop this on. So you got, just in case if you're interested, all details will be on the description box as usual. You guys know I'm in for glueless wig, so I want to see if I don't glue this down, if it's going to work. We're going to see that together. Oh, I need a mirror. Ooh, the lace is white though, but we're going to fix that. Okay, we're just going to fix that. You can see that I have some baby hair here in front. You guys can see that is white. Okay, I'm going to use my foundation to blend this. Like I said, I don't want to glue it down because I'm not a fan of gluing all this wig down. I can make any wig glueless. Even if the wig is not glueless, I can make it glueless. Okay, believe me, I'm good in doing that. I'm good in doing that. Any hair, if the hair is not even glueless, I can make it glueless for you. Okay, just trust me. Trust the system. So guys, before doing that, I'm going to use my hair mousse just to take the hair backward like this. So I'm going to create a part. Okay, I'm going to create a center part. Should I create a center part, or I should do kind of a side part? Why is this? Let me use my So I'm just going to use my bronzer to touch the, just rub it all over. You see that? See where I put the bronzer? Just like that. So you can see it is done. I'm going to use my foundation on the part that I created. Just little foundation. So I added little cream to it, oil to it, then straighten it. Yeah. Okay, you can see I did not glue it down, and this is giving. You can do the same, okay? So gorgeous, if you're interested, all details will be on the description box, and don't forget, go search for 111 and it will direct you straight to the promotion page, okay? And if you buy one, you will get one for free. I will see you guys in my next one. Ciao.